On the day of polling on 7th March 2013, there were many complaints that were coming that electors were finding their names missing in their voters list. So this process of deletion had happened way back in May 2012 when BLOs had done a house-to-house survey, and whomever were not found in their particular addresses where the Panchanamas were duly done and documents were prepared and they were suggested for deletion. So based on BLO's report and then on ward clerk's Panchanama and RI's Panchanama, the corresponding AEROs have taken a decision for deletion. Now we had published a draft roll in December 2012 for verification for the public. That is, if at all, if any names were deleted, they could have come and checked and given form number 6 to corporation office so that their names could have been added. And this opportunity was there till January 16, 2013. And after that, the final roll was published on January 28, 2013. Now, even after the publication of the final roll, there was this continuous updation of electoral rolls continuing, and still, if some people are finding their names deleted from their list, they can have all the opportunity to apply form number 6 to our corporation office, so that their names will be duly added after proper verification and ground level checking through BLOs and our ward clerks. So, if at all, if anybody has any complaint regarding their deletion of their names, this opportunity is very much there. So, I appeal to the public to make utilize of this opportunity so that such a problem will not come in the upcoming assembly elections. Now, regarding the counting arrangements for this Belgaum City Corporation election on 11th March 2013, we have made the counting center in BK Model High School, where 12 counting centers have been opened, one for each returning officer, and in each returning officer's room 5 tables will be there for counting. So at a time, counting of only 5 polling stations will be happening. So one round means that will be comprising the counting of 5 polling stations. So depending on the number of polling stations in each ward, that many rounds will be there for each ward. And each RO will be again having 5 wards. So only after the completion of one ward, the counting of the next ward will be taken up. So in that manner, the phase-wise manner, the counting will be completed, and we are expecting it to complete by afternoon. Counting will be starting by 8 AM. Now, it is requested to the candidates as well as counting agents that arrangement has been made outside the courtyard of the counting center for sitting, and only when their corresponding ward is being called out, they need to come inside the building and get seated inside the corresponding RO's chamber for counting purpose. Till then, they will have to wait in the seating arrangement which has been made outside the courtyard. And after the counting of each ward, the results will be verified by observer surfers who will also be present here. Only after his confirmation we will be formally announcing the elections. And the due arrangements have been made for media people also. A well-fledged media center has been set up in the adjacent building to the counting centers, and projector screen, live display of election results on the projector screen, TV display, all this have been arranged, and all the demands of the media also have been taken care. So I appeal to everybody to support and cooperate with the corporation in this successful counting process.
Okay, our name and post. Our name and post. Name?
Yeah.
Corporation Commissioner.
This is Belgaum City Corporation Commissioner Bianca Mary Francis.